The case, as set out by the plaintiffs, is that the suit property had originally belonged when she had purchased the same on 9th December 1986 from the original Jamindars. It is claimed that the father of the plaintiffs number 1 and 3 and the husband of the plaintiff number 2, Shri Gurnam Singh, had purchased the suit property September 1998. It is claimed that since then he was enjoying the peaceful possession of the suit property. After Shri Gurnam Singh expired on 31st March 2021 and after the ensuing lockdown on account of the pandemic, which was lifted in August 2021, the plaintiff number 1 visited the suit property and came to know that the defendants number 1 to 4 were in possession of the suit property, which according to him was completely illegal. It was in these circumstances that notices were issued to the persons found in occupation, but since they did not choose to vacate the suit property, the suit has been filed. By way of the instant application, the following prayers have been sought: to pass an ex parte ad interim injunction in favor of the plaintiffs and against the defendants, their agents, servants, employees, assignees, representatives, etc., refraining them from raising illegal construction, selling, renting, transferring, alienating, changing the structure, or creating any third party interest in any manner whatsoever in respect of the suit property khasra bearing number 25 till the final disposal of the accompanying suit in interest of justice, to pass any or such other orders in favor of the plaintiff and against the defendants which this honorable court deems fit and proper in the facts and circumstances of the case and in interest of justice. The learned counsel for the plaintiffs has submitted that the plaintiffs were the rightful owners Khasra number 25 situated in New Delhi with the registered general power of attorney agreement to sell dated 8th September 1998, which was executed. It was submitted that if the rights of the plaintiffs were not protected during the pendency of the suit, the defendant number 1 to 4 would create further third party interests in the suit property, which would ultimately lead to great prejudice to the plaintiffs and prolonged litigation. It was submitted that the Municipal Corporation of Delhi took no action when the plaintiff number 1 had reported unauthorized construction going on in the shoot land. As a result of such inaction, the construction was completed. The learned counsel submitted that further construction be prevented by issuing interim directions. It was also argued that the documents of the defendants were all questionable as they related and were executed in 2005, whereas the documents in favor of the late father of the plaintiff number 1 was duly registered. Further, the plaintiffs had not been able to produce any registered document to establish that the late father of the plaintiff number 1 had ever been in possession of the suit property since 1998, whereas several documents had been placed on record by the defendants, including the chain of documents to show that before and after 1998 separate parcels of land had been sold by clearly establishing that no transfer to the father of the plaintiff number 1 was recognized by her. The learned senior counsel further submitted that Srimati Champa Basin had herself given her own land for the construction of a road